Over the last few years, more than 100 organizations have fallen a victim to some of the largest identity-based breaches ever recorded. Attackers didn't need malware. They simply logged in with a stolen credential and exposed the lack of multi-factor authentication. The result? Sensitive data from millions of individuals was exposed, including bank details and personal identifiers. And this isn't an isolated case. Today, the vast majority of cyber attacks begin with compromised credentials, and nearly all identity breaches stemmed from a weak or misconfigured access control. If you're responsible for securing identities in your organization, this course is your frontline defense. Microsoft SC-300 Identity and Access Administrator Associate course equips you to design and implement secure identity solutions using Microsoft Entra ID, enforce zero trust principles, and prevent the very breaches that dominates today's headlines. Hi, my name is Waleed Mir. I'm a Microsoft Technical Trainer specializing in Azure infrastructure, security and compliance, security operations, AI, and Copilot courses. You can find me on LinkedIn at aka.ms/Waleed Mir. I'm here to walk through the Microsoft SC-300 Identity and Access Administrator Associate course with you. This is an intermediate level course that is divided into 4 key skill areas. In the first key area, you'll look at implement and manage user identities and cover a module to explore identities in Microsoft Entra ID and learning path to implement and identity management solutions. In the second key area, we'll cover implement authentication and access management solutions. In the third key area, we'll look at plan and implement workload identities and cover a learning path, implement access management for applications. For the last and the fourth key area, we'll look at plan and automate identity governance and cover the learning path for it. As an identity and access administrator, your role is critical in securing modern organizations. You'll be responsible for managing identities across users, devices, Azure resources, and applications, ensuring secure and seamless access while applying zero trust principles. In an organization, Identity and Access Administrator will also collaborate with other roles to modernize identity solutions, implement hybrid identity setups, and drive strategic identity projects. By the end of this course, you will be well prepared to take the SC-300 certification exam and demonstrate your expertise. To succeed, you should be familiar with Azure, M365 services and workloads, and Active Directory domain services. Let's get started and build the skills that make you a trusted identity and access expert. I'll be with you every step of the way. So let's get started.